Hi, welcome to another session with me. My name is Etimbuk Obot, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you effective customer service techniques that you need for success. My job always is to make videos, inspiring videos to help you with your business and also to help you with personal development. But before I begin, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please check below. I'll so appreciate if you could take a few seconds and just click on the subscribe button to stay notified once I have new videos, exciting videos for you. And also click on the notification bell to turn it on. And if you find the content valuable, you could share and also like the video. All right, so let's begin. Effective customer service techniques. Before I begin talking about customer service proper, I want to talk about relationship. Relationship is everything in business, in your personal life. Effective relationship. An effective relationship is built on effective communication. If you have an effective communication system, an effective communication mechanism within your home, within your business, you would see that relationships will be better managed. Relationship is very integral, keeping positive relationship. There is no business and there is nobody that would ever say that he or she became successful without building positive relationships with other people, without building a network of people with positive relationships who can spread good messages about your business, who can spread good messages about whatever you are doing, whatever ideas you are sharing to other people. It is called word of mouth marketing, and I'm going to be talking about that in subsequent videos. Now, moving to effective customer service. Everybody wants to be loved. Everybody wants to be treated with value. Everybody wants to be treated with respect, whether you're customers or not your customers, whether in the church, whether in your organization, whether anywhere you find yourself, people want to be treated with respect. People want their voices to be heard. People want, their opinions to be considered. And if you want to stand out, you want your customer service to stand out, you need to consider the interest of the people that you are actually fashioning out the information to or the products to. Number one, you need to consider your audience. What are their wants and what are their needs? What are their wants and what are their needs? So at this point, you're not just going to be focused on imposing ideas, imposing laws, imposing policies on your target audience, because people are no longer passive as they used to be, in the past, where people could get information and are so passive about it. We're now living in an information age with a lot of information explosion. Within a twinkle of an eye, someone could just Google, check for one or two information, and just trying to make sure that the person is making the right decision, and that no one is giving the person some information that are not valuable or tenable or not workable. So we're living in an age where information is everywhere and people could access information with just a click on the internet. So it is very important that business owners, it's very important that people who are running NGOs or whatever organization you are running, you consider the needs and wants of your target audience. You need to consider their demographics, you need to consider their interest, you need to consider, what are the things that are disturbing them and what are the things that they are also particular about, which means that for you to have an effective customer service, you need to create a feedback mechanism, a mechanism where people could give reviews and they could give feedback to help you improve on whatever you are doing, to help you improve on your policies, to help you improve on your programs, to help you improve on your product. You need to do that. You need to also make sure that you train your staff or you train the people who are working with you on how to manage relationships, because relationship is everything. If you satisfy one customer, that customer can bring you 10 more customers. If you satisfy two customers could bring you more or less another 10 customers, making it 20. So the goal of everybody who wants to do business or anyone who wants to run an organization is to make sure that they build effective relationships and they train their staff to be able to manage relationships positively, to know how to respond to customer inquiries, to know how to respond to customer questions, to know how to be patient with customers, to know how to also not be too over serious when a customer is talking. They know when to give light conversations and when to also make the conversations a bit serious, just to ensure that everything stays professional. Then above all, there is no how relationships could be managed or can be managed without effective communication. Effective communication is very important. Communication, yes, is simply the sharing of ideas, meaning, and thought among people. However, for communication to be effective, number one, the person who is receiving this communication should be able to understand and decode whatever information has been sent to him or her easily. The person should be able to decode and also attach meanings to the communication or to the words or to what has been communicated. If the person is unable to attach meaning to it and also maybe give a desirous feedback, if feedback mechanisms have been put in place, if the person is not able to do that, then effective communication has not taken place. And the goal of every organization is to make sure that you keep effective communication tabs open so that you can be able to manage positive relationships with clients, manage positive relationships with people, manage positive relationships with everyone who you come in contact with. I want to say and I want to stress that relationships are very important, and don't play with them. Don't play with them. You see someone today and you're like trying to look down on the person. You see someone today, you're trying to say, who is this person? Who are you? What's your profile? Maybe because the person is not driving some nice Lamborghinis, or maybe the person is not putting on some suit and with a tie knotted, and you try to look down on someone. Don't do that, because you don't know who the person is, and you don't know what the person can do. The fact that someone may look a bit tattered today does not mean the person may not command authority or command money or even be a very strong opinion molder. So you have to be very critical and very careful on how you deal with people. Change is the most constant thing in life. The fact that things are not going right today does not mean things will not get better tomorrow. So it is very, very important and very pertinent for everybody to know that today's world, what is driving today's business is relationship marketing. Because there are a lot of competitors everywhere, a lot of competitions everywhere. The only way to break even in anything you do is to make sure that positive relationships are being built, to make sure that positive relationships are being built and sustained. Because that is the word. The word is to build and also to sustain. And thanks to technology, because there are a lot of ways this could be done. For example, one could do email marketing, where you could send messages to your customers. That's building a customer base, a directory, the database of customers. You can send them emails. You can create a group either on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and you can share messages directly with your customers. And you can also do bulk SMSs to them. Try to see how you can tell them, or even some people have now fashioned in a way of celebrating. Companies are doing a lot, even banks. On my birthday was 2nd of April. I got a lot of messages from banks and from organizations I have signed up and trying to tell me happy birthday, and I read the mails and I just smiled, because these are strategies that these companies understand that it is very important and pertinent to do what? To do things that are appealing to customers, that are appealing to people who are working with you, that are appealing to people who you actually provide service. It is very important that anyone who wants to be successful understands the importance of relationship, importance of keeping positive relationship, importance of keeping positive communications, and training staff to be able to replicate and live the vision of the organization. Remember, competitors are everywhere. If you do not stand out, if you are not exceptional in what you are doing, then sorry for you, because people who are doing it better will take all the clients from you. People who are doing it better will be able to command a lot of authority, to command a lot of influence, and be able to do a lot of things that you are not doing. So I want you to take home this word, that relationship is key. If you want your business to be outstanding, if you want your life to be outstanding, relationship is key. And one of the valuable ingredients that makes this relationship key is effective communication and being able to create a feedback mechanism where people could give their reviews, where people could give their feedbacks, and there you use it to improve. And I want you to know this concept, that one customer that you make happy can bring you 10 customers, because all it will take that customer is to spread positive word of mouth about your business, about your organization, about your personality, about your character, about your values and what you stand for. So do not neglect relationships. No matter how small they are, they could get big tomorrow. No matter how little they are, they could get large tomorrow. Do not overlook or downlook at anybody. Do not look down on anybody. Don't look down on a customer, because the person is not all suited up and so on. You start to look down on the person. You never know what respect and what authority such person could command. The person could be an opinion molder, a strong opinion molder for that matter, who can actually get things, destroy things for you. So I want you to bear in mind, I want you to know that relationship is key. Relationship marketing is key. And thanks to technology. So you have to do your things a bit different. You have to do your things a bit. The ultimate aim is to satisfy your customers, is to satisfy the people that you're working with. Value relationships. Treat people with respect, no matter how small the relationship is. Be honest, be sincere, be transparent, be loyal, be truthful. These are, very essential characteristics, very essential personal traits you need to display, that your organization needs to display if you want to win the trust, if you want to win the confidence, or if you want to win the goodwill of the people who you serve, who are looking up to you. You have to know that positive relationship demands honesty, it demands sincerity, it demands openness, it demands truthfulness. It also demands you to be patient. It also demands you to be tolerant. It also demands you to try to be as transparent and open as possible. And this is the message for you today. Relationship is key in your business, and do not forget the role of communication, effective communication. And I want to tell you that effective communication could be learned. It could, I'm going to be recommending some books much later for you regarding effective communication, and also some training for you on effective way to communicate, and also how it is called. I'm going to be talking more about it maybe in subsequent videos. There's a design for it, and people should be desirous to learn this type of communication. That's why you have to, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button just below, click on it, and turn on the notification bell to stay notified once I drop new inspiring motivational videos for you. It will help you in your businesses, it will help you personal development. And please do not forget to share and also like this video if you find it highly valuable. I'm going to be talking about the different communication, as I mentioned, because there's a style for it, for people who want to actually understand effective communication. Effective communication is different from just communicating or saying things because you feel that is communication. You have to design it, you have to process it, you have to know how to get the messages directly to the people, and you have to know how to fashion proper content marketing, how to design your text in such a way that it will cause the desired actions and reactions that you are actually expecting. And I'm going to be doing that in subsequent videos. Please subscribe. Your take home today is that relationship is key. Relationships are important. Relationships are things that you should not joke with. See how you can maximize, see how you can build on it and make it more impactful, make it more useful, make it more valuable for your business and your personal project, personal initiatives, which is actually very, very important. Before I go, please use the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. Use the comment section to ask your questions. Use the comment section to also tell me if you find this content valuable, and tell me things you would like me to also do, like videos you want me to actually, topics you would like me to talk on, topics you would like me to speak on, and I will take the pains, I will do all the research, and I will prepare, and I know that what I'm going to share with you after my research will be extremely valuable. Please just tell me a topic you want me to actually research on so that I could talk to you and I could inspire you about it, and I'll be so glad to do that. Please use the comment section. Don't just watch and just leave like that without dropping a comment, and I'll be so glad to reply to your comment one after the other. Thank you so much for watching, and that is where I'll be stopping today. I hope you found this video very valuable. You found it interesting, and if you did, please just click on the subscribe button, share, and also like. See you in the next video. Do not forget to use the comment section and tell me the topic you want me to actually research and talk to you about it. I bet you I'm going to show you and also give you a new perspective to that topic. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. My name is Etimbuk Obot. See you in the next video. Bye.